as you guys know, I've been buying furniture from both Temu and Amazon, trying to see if there are ways to make my living space look amazing for an affordable budget. So today, I bought hundreds of dollars worth of decor from Amazon because I want to see if I can turn this Temu couch and my Temu chaise into something that looks, nice, cozy, but also a little bit more upscale. And I think that honestly, some of these finds are going to be just what I needed in order to make this space look 10 times better. So I'm ready to see if I can spruce up my apartment using items from Amazon. Let's check it out. I got a lot of different items here, and one of the things that I'm really excited about is actually an ergonomic chair that's supposed to help with posture. I'm hypermobile, so my sitting and things like that kind of sucks. So I decided to get a chair that may help me because I spend most of my day sitting at home and working. But let's just open these boxes, honestly. Man, I need to start wearing my contacts more for these videos, guys, because I always end up having to put on my glasses. And it's because on my day-to-day, I don't really wear contacts. They're kind of uncomfortable. I think what we should do is start with the small things, and then we'll go larger and larger, leaving the biggest package, which would have to be this one, for the very end. I know that some of the things that I got here are stationary items. They're not just decor, but I got some decor items within the last couple of days that I will be showing you guys in this video at the end. Let's open this up and see what we got, guys. Oh. Ooh, I love these. They're just little stationary items. So basically what I decided to get were these cute little magnets. I have a giant whiteboard in the middle of my living room space that I use to work and focus and just be organized with, and I wanted to get some magnets that were actually cute instead of the boring ones that it came with. These are post-it notes, but they're magnetic post-it notes, so they're just post-it notes that I can put on various whiteboards and stuff like that, and they're reusable as opposed to the note post-its that I use right now. I just felt it's a waste of paper, and this will probably be better for the environment. And my cat, she loves sitting on top of boxes. So she just keeps coming in and out. You got pink, white, orange, yellow, there's green, and there's blue. So it has a whole bunch of different colors. I know that I didn't need this many, but they only had massive packs like this, and I think this was under $10. So to me, I already know that this is going to be worth the money. Then I have these cute little magnet things. They're pretty self-explanatory. They're just shaped like flowers, but I thought these would be much cuter than the boring little dot clip magnets that it comes with that I have right now. All right, next one. What's this? All right. Oh, this is a deep sleep mask. I highly recommend these for people who have trouble sleeping. But it's just an eye mask so that when I go to sleep, it's a silk one to make sure it doesn't mess up my hair. And it's adjustable on the back, so this should be nice. It's gonna help me sleep better. I know I literally said home decor in these first two items. Well, the first item was kind of home decor, but I will still be showing you guys the home decor that I used to spruce up my apartment because there's a lot of things in here that have changed since the videos that I posted about the couches. And I think that the way it looks now has completely changed everything. I'll give a fun little walkthrough and then tell you guys all the things I got off of Amazon. And I'll also talk about the prices as well. So just watch to the end of this video. This is the bed set that I got. So right now my bedding is pretty much beige white, and it's cool and all, but I want to bring in the burnt orange tone that I have going on in here, and I want to bring it into the bedroom. So I decided to get a super cozy comforter set. So I decided to get this burnt orange comforter set. Well, it's a blanket, really. It's gonna be beautiful. I will make sure to get a clip once I actually put this on my bed so that you guys can see what it looks like. But I want to see if it's soft. That's what I really want. How soft is it? Ooh, that feels really nice. And it has little tassels here, so I'm excited to see what that will be like. But it's so soft. I love it, and I love the color. The color definitely matches the aesthetic I'm going for. It matches the couch in here, so I love it. I think it's great. I'll be excited to put that on my bed. Oof. Mm. Trader Joe's, your chocolate pudding is incredible. Mm. It's like eating fudge. Back to the box. I'm really excited to open this, honestly, because I know this is the chair, and I've been having some horrible back issues recently and having to do a lot of core exercises because of it. I'm hoping that this will actually help me, because I spend most of my day sitting, and no matter the chair, it just, after an hour, a few hours, it starts to get painful in my spine. So I'm hoping that this will solve that issue. Whew. Oh, I do know what this is. I'm so excited about this. Guys, I love to bake so much. The next big thing I'm excited to bake is macarons, those little French pastries. So I had to get a whole bunch of these glass bowls. It's like a glass bowl set, and it just has glass bowls in a bunch of different sizes. I prefer glass bowls because they're just better for mixing, and they even come with tops and lids to them. So I'll make sure to put this down below for those of you who like salad, or if you like to bake as well. Like, these are really, really great. I got them off of Amazon, and they came in 3 hours. So I'm really happy about that, because I was thinking about baking some macarons today. And now to the best part. But I think I'm gonna like try and stand up for this because it's a full-blown chair. So let me readjust everything, and then we can go ahead straight into unboxing this. Unfortunately, I had to switch to my phone being my microphone right now, so hopefully the sound doesn't get too bad. But we are now opening this box. Let's see what's in here. Well, this was like surprisingly pretty easy and fast to put together, so it makes me really happy, and it looks very comfortable. So let's actually put it to the test here. It feels so like awkward. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I feel like I look awkward too. Well, it's definitely very comfortable. Like, I will say that. I can totally see why this is considered like a healthier chair than like the average day chair that I sit on. So I'll be curious to see if over time, like, my back will actually notice a difference, because lately, like when I'm working at home, my posture is terrible and I end up having a lot of pain. And now as I try to like fix my posture, the muscles in my upper back are literally sore because they're not used to holding themselves up because of my hypermobility. So I'm hoping that this will somehow help me. Yeah. Oh. It also has rolling. It rolls, and it has 360 spinning. Yeah, I like this. This is going to be interesting to use. Now, I will give you guys a walkthrough of my apartment and show you what stuff I bought to make my apartment look much more put together, because I think you're going to be shocked by the results. I think it's going to be awesome. Right, so this is basically what my bedroom looks like right now. It's very empty because I've been focusing mainly on my living room. So that's why like my bedroom is kind of just like an empty space right now, but this is where I'm going to focus my time on next. So we have that bed set right there, and I'm gonna put it on my bed, and then I'll show you guys what it looks like. So this is what it looks like now. I think it's really pretty. I'm like obsessed with this, and I think the color matches perfectly for what I'm going for. So definitely stay tuned and make sure you subscribe to my channel so that you guys can see what this room will end up looking like when I'm actually done with all of the decor and possibly new furniture updates as well. You can see Leo is there, being a cute boy. So one of the first things I added to my apartment to make it more exciting was these little curtains here that are just so gorgeous for my front entrance. I felt like it was such a homey way to like welcome a person in. Here, I decided that I was gonna buy myself some cute placemats. These are like farmhouse style placemats that I'm like so obsessed with. I have these little tiny details like this. This is actually from Temu, so I'll leave the description down below if you guys want it. I love hourglasses. I think they're so elegant. So I ended up adding some stuff to the couch as well. Of course, that's my weighted teddy bear thing that I like obsessed with. And then I also have this blanket that I got off of Amazon. These 2 little pillows that I got off of Amazon as well, which I love. And then on top of that, I got this rug here to go with it. I wanted to tie in the green from this cat tree into my actual living room space, so I started putting little accents of green in. And I'm obsessed with this flooring or this rug because it's so soft. It feels so nice to just stand on. It's like begging to be stand on. I don't even know how to say that. Then I added a couple of books on here just to spice up the table with some candles, and then this little cute plant that I got from Trader Joe's, and another hourglass that I got from, Temu. But I think that right now it's really starting to come together. I'm kind of obsessed with how everything is looking so far. If you guys have any more suggestions, definitely let me know, because I like to hear the tips. That's actually a litter box right there, but it's shaped like a plant. And I think that I might get another fake plant to go up higher and like have it be like a tree instead of just like a short little thing. So stay tuned for that too if you want to see what that will end up looking like. Well guys, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Let me know what you guys think of my place so far and how everything is coming together. As you already know, most of my furniture I got online from Temu and Amazon, so turning it into a stylish look, of course, is the only next assignment. And Amazon has some really great decor stuff that you can find on there, so I'll leave everything down below if you guys want to go check out any of these little home decor items. And I hope you enjoyed this video. I love you guys so very much. Thanks for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. Peace on the streets.